Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have to see about how to create a Node.js command line application. I have already created a repository and counted everything here. You can check it in. I will share it in the comment. You can check it. First, I will explain how it works. Now, first we have to start from package.json. Package.json bin main is the binary code is running from this line. So in binary code, we have to provide as a Node.js CLI app. Node.js CLI app is written here. Now provide the path of the index.js main file. Main file is bin placed in bin/index.js. And then the type of this is model, and this import and export. That means instead of return we have to use import and export. Now keywords first everything is provided here. Publish, and when you have to publish, when you publish, you have to provide this public private is not allowed. You can view it. Next, binary record index.js. We imported every file provided in the command sorry later. Well, it is an SQLite is also available here. Database SQLite, right? You have to provide the data to serious data and display the display the data from the SQLite database. And open Google means you have to open the Google in the browser. If you type open Google means it will open the browser. And if you type open Chrome incognito means it will open it in the incognito mode of in global in Chrome. And time now means time display time now. I think age calculation by this and that is a lot of options available. It is available here. It's just available in search comments, age calculation, chalk example, everything is provided here. All the functions are here. This is, now we have to run the code. I already published the package here, so we can install it here itself. Now we run the application. JS icon CLI hyphen app. You can select which one you want. When selected, it will be point data we have. First, I will select it. Then time now. And this will be the current time. SQLite means the data is not available, so it's not displaying it. Stock example, colors, basic example, hello world. Each organization. Okay, that's it. This is the test application you have to run inside there. Now you will understand it started. That's it. This is a sample application done in the code. You can check it on your side also. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on bell icon also. Thank you. Bye bye.